Welcome to our channel. Today, we're learning how to play No Thanks, a fast-paced card game where players strive to collect the fewest points. In this game, players take turns either picking up cards from a central pool or using chips to pass. At the end of the game, players add up the numbers on the cards they collected throughout the game and then subtract the number of counters they have left. That is their final score. The player with the lowest score wins. To set up, shuffle the 33 cards, which are numbered 3 to 35, and remove 9 cards. Those 9 cards will not be used in the game. Place the cards face down in a draw pile in the center of the table. Distribute the black counters to the players according to the guidelines given in the game. It is encouraged to keep your number of counters hidden so other players cannot predict your play. The starting player flips the top card over and displays it face up next to the draw pile. Each card is worth the number of points shown on the card. But remember, points are bad. Counters are good. Each one cancels out 1 point from a card at the end of the game. The starting player decides if he wants the card or not. If he doesn't, he must put a counter from his supply and say, "No thanks." It is now the next player's turn. He also decides whether to take the card or not. The game carries on like this until a player decides to take the card along with all the counters placed on the card. When you don't have any counters left, you have to take the card. When a player takes a card, he must flip open a new one too. Then he gets to decide first whether he wants the card or not. If he takes it, he flips another new one open, and so on. The game ends when the stack is gone and there are no cards left to collect. Add up the points on all the cards you took, then subtract the number of counters you have. The player with the lowest total wins. And that's it! No Thanks is a great, easy-to-learn, low-stakes game to use as an icebreaker and warm-up. Thanks for saying yes to No Thanks. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this tutorial, like, share, and subscribe for more game guides. Let us know in the comments which game you'd like to master next.